Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a custom Shopify website. First, define your brand's unique vision and target audience to guide your design choices. Next, select a Shopify plan that aligns with your business size and features required, such as the basic Shopify plan for $29 per month. Then, choose a foundational theme from the Shopify theme store, which provides a solid starting point for customization, saving you significant development time and effort. Effective planning is crucial for a successful custom Shopify store. Begin by mapping out your website structure, including navigation and user pathways, to ensure a seamless experience. Develop wireframes and mockups for essential pages like the homepage, product pages, and checkout flow. Finally, compile all your content, such as high-quality product images, compelling descriptions, and engaging brand stories before diving into the build phase. Customizing your Shopify theme allows your brand to truly shine. Start with Shopify's intuitive theme editor for visual adjustments like colors, fonts, and layout sections. For more advanced changes, delve into the themes code using Liquid, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to create unique elements. Additionally, explore the Shopify App Store to integrate powerful applications that enhance your store's capabilities. From marketing tools to inventory management, expanding functionality significantly. After all your hard work, it is time to launch your custom Shopify store. Before going live, conduct comprehensive testing of all functionalities, including checkout, forms, and mobile responsiveness. Once launched, set up analytics tools like Google Analytics to track performance, user behavior, and sales data. Regularly review this data to identify areas for improvement, continuously optimizing your store for faster loading times, better user experience, and higher conversion rates, ensuring long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.